Hello, and I have a review of the Ganzo 759M stated here. Yeah, it's made by Ganzo, a very kind of popular brand made in China. So it's more of a budget knife, and let's go through the specs of this knife. This is in their Firebird range, the Firebird series of knives. It has stated here, and yeah. And this, if you see, the knife is, most of you will, if you own expensive knives, you guys could probably guess what kind of knife this is. A replica of the Spyderco Delica, but it's a good replica of it. The blade is 440C steel. The blade isn't in its best condition because I already used it for a couple of months and it's pretty reliable. Cut wood with it, cut paper with it, cut a lot of stuff with it. It's still working well. Blade retain, I even cut bamboo with it. Blade retention is pretty nice. Still quite sharp, but it's not shaving hair sharp. The blade shape is not your typical blade shape. It's more of a, yeah. And the handle is made of some grippy texture. The grip is pretty well, nice. Yeah, it's not easy to slip from it. And this, instead of your usual liner lock, there's no liner lock here. It is a back lock. The back. To close it, you press down and it closes it. Has a retention there. And instead of the thumb stud, you get a thumb hole. Yeah. And it's an oval. And they come in several color variants. I took the green. They come in black and orange, I think, and the usual colors. Handle is made out of plastic. And the belt clip, yeah. The belt clip, you can hang it this way up, or if you have the time, you can actually swap it out and put it here, so it will be hanging out like that instead. The blade is centered, kind of centered, pretty okay. These have no ball bearing. This is kind of washers, I think. And the material, the steel. The steel is made out of 440C, which isn't that bad considering for the price. The bevel. Yeah, there's a bit of some stains up here because I didn't really took very big care of it, unfortunately. Yeah. Firebird TM. And so if ever Ganzo or other knife brands see this, I don't mind if you send me free knives to review. I'm open for it. Yeah, this is the review of the Ganzo 759M made by Ganzo. Signing out.